everyone, welcome back to our channel, Grace and Katie and Lina. Okay, so we are going to address a problem that a lot of people have when they come to Nepal, and that is how to use a squatty potty today properly. So Gresham is going to give us all a full tutorial of how to use one, and hopefully it'll be super helpful if you just got to Nepal. But first we need to make our way outside because we just have a normal Western toilet inside. So outside, come here. Outside we have a squatty potty, and we also never used a squatty potty, and neither of us have been in there like in months, so it could be disgusting, so we're about to go find out.
I don't like personally Squatty Potty. It's hard. But enjoy the video. Yes.
Alright, let's head out there, see what state the Squatty Potty's in. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, let's go. You got this one?
What?
I'm scared.
It's not gonna be. No. Squatty Potty. The water is there. Bam. Hello everybody, welcome to paradise. It's called Squatty Potty. So
it smells so bad.
in Nepal, most of the people, not all, but most of the people, they have this Squatty Potty like this. And because many people they have a question like how to use this beautiful throne, and so so I'm gonna teach you guys. So this is a squatty potty. So in India, in Nepal, most of the people don't use this. This is the right position to poop.
Is there a specific way are you supposed to face, like that way or that way? Which way are you supposed to face?
This way. It should be go directly down there.
Wait, I need to come in. Hold on. Okay.
That hole
Okay,
is
so
there.
you need to poop straight above
straight. Oh yeah, like
aim
that.
for the hole.
Like that. And this part is in case if you poop there, it's like supposed to like sleep, like go.
Slide down.
Yeah, slide down and go down there and chiploom splash. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So many people they put those legs left and right and they sit like this.
I have a question.
Yes.
Have you ever accidentally pooped off
there?
Yeah.
Never. You used to have super nice calculation mathematics mind to put your poop on right place.
Down the hole.
Yeah, not over there. But sometimes it goes this side.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Splatters.
So many people I have never checked anybody in bathroom how they use it, but many people they just they wear they put pants on here this side and they sit like this and they poop, they enjoy. Many people, my brother Samuel, he used the phone and
relax.
They have like that. Many people they poop like this. Many people poop like this because they cannot go down. Many people poop like this also because so I don't know however they feel comfortable.
Hold on, I gotta readjust the lineup. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, and they sit like that way. So this is the right position. And so when they poop, after poop they use the water, dang 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 like that. And yeah, many people they put water and wash together.
I don't understand.
Okay. Means they put water and they
I
by
understand.
hand they wash.
So they like get their hand wet and then they
Yeah.
they
Many people
wash
they
it.
do like they put water like means they throw like this and they wash like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I tried that once and I was completely wet.
Yeah. But many times like some people like put water on there and wipe like that.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
And if you want, like you can put from back and wash from front also.
What looks complicated?
Yeah.
What do you do personally?
I don't
Let
go
us
in
know.
Squatty Potty for a long time. Yeah, but yeah, I also use together. You know,
Yeah.
put water and wash, and sometimes it is hard to put water and wash
Yeah.
like that also. But sometimes the Squatty Potty also this also not good. So you need to use back water.
So you
also.
just yeah,
So
just
anyhow, just clean your butthole like. Yeah, I'm not vulgar person. Okay, this I'm giving you. I don't know how
Wow.
to say in English.
you heard
so.
it here first.
Yeah, like that, and put water, super good way.
Yeah, you gotta
and
flush it, right? Flush me. You yeah.
There is no flushless.
Yeah, you just pour the water down to flush it, right?
Yeah, like that way. Yeah, you can do that, and after that, wash your hand super good way with soap and like that way.
Get that poop
So
off.
yeah, if you are in Nepal, you need to adjust that. But if you stay in the hotel and other places, they have a Western toilet. But most of the place has this kind of.
Yeah, in the
Now
village.
now it's changing. Like people are using Western toilet also. So
Lina.
this is your deliverance from Squatty Potty. So,
Wait, can you hold Lina for a second? She's fallen. She's fallen. Ugh.
Yes.
One day
Lina?
you're gonna use a Squatty Potty, Lina.
Use someday. Yeah, but if you go village side, especially they use that.
Okay.
Yeah, and they put babies also like that.
To teach them how to go to the
Yeah, like they take the baby and they just be like that, and they always put those feet there
Ew.
and they poop. So like, so
Wow.
yeah. So any questions?
Think so. I think you covered it all. All right. Well, thank you for that amazing
Thank
tutorial.
you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share this video as much as you can. May people get blessing through this video. I love you. Bye bye.
Bye.